Then part B, assess 5 circumstances under which a member of the National Assembly may move a motion for the removal of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker. Circumstances under which a member of Parliament may move a motion to remove the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker. The first circumstance is misconduct. Misconduct. If the Speaker or Deputy Speaker is found to have engaged in serious misconduct such as corruption, abuse of power, or violation of parliamentary rules, a member of the National Assembly may move a motion for their removal. Misconduct. 2, incompetence. 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 If the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker is deemed to be incompetent or incapable of effectively performing their duties, a motion for their removal may be initiated by a member of the National Assembly. 3, loss of confidence. Loss of confidence. If a significant number of members of the National Assembly have lost confidence in the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker's ability to lead and represent interests of the Assembly, then a motion for their removal may be proposed. 4, breach of constitutional provisions. Breach of constitutional provisions. Breach of constitutional provisions. If the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker consistently fails or is found, we can say if the Deputy Speaker or the Speaker of the National Assembly is found to have violated constitutional provisions, such as the separation of powers or the rights or privileges of the National Assembly, then a motion of their removal may be proposed or may be initiated. It may be initiated. A motion for removal can be moved. Non-compliance with parliamentary rules. If the Speaker or Deputy Speaker consistently fails to adhere to parliamentary rules and procedures, resulting in disruption or inefficiency in functioning of the National Assembly, then a motion of their removal may be initiated by a member of a parliament. By a member of a parliament. So these are 5 circumstances under which a member of parliament may move a motion to remove the Speaker or Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly. Number 1, misconduct. Number 2, incompetence. Number 3, loss of confidence. Number 4, breach of constitutional provisions. Then lastly, non-compliance with parliamentary rules. 5 circumstances, 5 marks. That is part B of question 2.